Hello, Shante and Co. This is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you that video about how you can increase your online presence. So, just taking a look at your website, you got a nice header. You got your logo here. You do have your number right away, which is awesome. The one thing I would recommend is making this a click to call, so someone who's coming to your website can get on the phone with you as quickly as possible. That's the goal. You have, of course, the social media, then going down all the different services, which is awesome. And this just goes farther into detail as well as links to the different pages, the About Us, and then, of course, keep up with social media, which is awesome. Doing social media and keeping a presence there is great. So, looking through, I don't see a ton of content on this really good site. I see around 150, 200 words. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of organic keywords mixed in there. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that a customer would be putting in to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs or Ahrefs, depending on your mood. So first thing that pops up are your UR and your DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of your website. The DR rating is the trust Google places in your site. Now, ideally, we're looking for a 30 to 40 for each of these. As you can see, you're at about 21 strength and a 0.7 trust. Now, the way you build this is with your backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link from another website that leads back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from a Wikipedia site would be awful because that's super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your specific service. Now, another big thing are those organic keywords, as I was saying before. What buyer intent keywords are you ranking for? Now, you have 85 of them. Let's check what they are. So, Grout renovation, a JPEG for some reason, which has search volume, which makes no sense. Restoration, so nothing specific. Tile Manassas. That would be a buyer intent keyword for Manassas, of course, which is your location. So 30 people, you're right now on the second page for that, which is why you're seeing zero traffic. Now, I am seeing a lot of new and growing, so I'm not sure how old your website is, or if you have someone who's actually working to try ranking for these keywords. But going through, most of the keywords that you have are not buyer intent, unfortunately. So let's take a look at what a buyer intent keyword would be. So flooring, Manassas, Virginia. So first thing that pops up is the GMB. Now, super important to get on this just because 30 to 40% of all people will pick one of these three people. Now, I know you have one, it just isn't for this location, which I don't know why. But it's super important to rank for your locations. And then you have your organic rankings. Now, first up will be the LL Flooring. However, this is a chain. And Google would, if you rank high as a local company, Google will put you above the chain because they like local. So let's go to the second guy, which is Sav On Florors. I'll just call it Sav On. So we look at their site. They have all the info. They have their click to call. They have all their drop down menus. They still have a COVID notification. And then they go through all the different info. So it is an older website. So they do have age. However, the thing is they don't have the content they need either. So let's see what they're doing behind the scenes so that they're ranking so well. So we put them in. The UR, as you can see, 19. Their DR, 2.8. So not too hot either. But what they are doing really well is their backlinks. They have almost 1,200 different backlinks. As well as they don't have a lot of keywords, but let's see what their buyer intent keywords are that they're ranking number one. So Sav On Florors, that's theirs, Flooring Manassas. As you can see, third position, they're getting 10% of that traffic. Carpet Stores, fourth position, they're getting 10% of that traffic. Floor and Decor, don't know why they have that. Tile Shop, 100 people, which is great. As you can see, they're not ranking well for that. They're only 19th place, which is the bottom of the second page, so they're getting 0 traffic from that. So there are a lot of words that you can start ranking for, beat them out to get their traffic and to start ranking for Manassas itself. So first thing is you want to get those backlinks up. They had almost 1,500. You want to raise yours on top of them. So you want to either go to their website, find their good ones, and take them, or you can always add for your own to raise those backlinks up, as well as you want that content on your site. You want 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, and then 500 to 750 words on your service pages, so that you can organically place buyer intent keywords throughout your site, so Google could start ranking you for those, so you can start seeing that organic traffic coming through your site. Now, I hope you all found this helpful. If you like what you saw, you can reach back out to me. If you have any feedback, I'm always looking to improve. Y'all enjoy.